is meant to be used at home for cooking. And there are two ways of usage. One, normal used and abnormal used. The abnormal use might be mainly by omission. The abnormal use is mainly by omission. So wastage, leakage is part of usage, but abnormally. Now, when you now use it normally, it means that you have a regulator on this and you are regulating the use. Now, by omission, there is leakage. The gas is leaking. The volume is dropping. And that leakage can lead to an explosion. The same when you regulate it, it goes to the cooker. You use it to cook. You are directing the strength, the force to a burner, mainly to use it to cook. And when there is leakage and you don't know, it's being used, the volume is going down. And the only thing it does is it interacts with the oxygen and creates room for explosion. So that's why having a leakage cylinder inside the house or outside the house is very dangerous. So you will see some customers, they will come and they will tell you that, I bought this gas and it's not up to 1 week. It has finished. The major thing that has happened that the valve was leaking, the person did not know. And especially when you have a leaking cylinder outside in an unconfirmed space, outside the house, maybe within the compound, you keep it inside the compound and it's leaking. What happens? The volume of what is leaking and the oxygen is more than what is leaking. Most times you won't know, but it's leaking. And that leakage means that the volume inside is going down. So when the person now wants to use it, the person will now discover that few days there is no longer gas inside the cylinder. And the person will now, what happened? Mostly what has happened is leakage in that scenario. So that's why it's very important to check the valve before the person takes the cylinder home. And we need to also advise customers, even after taking the valve, taking the cylinder home, let them not branch from one point to another point. It is better that the person goes home straight to drop it because they have flammable on board. Okay, thank you.